Okay. So I'm Sangita Reddy. I represent the Apollo Hospitals Group. We are Asia's largest healthcare provider. We have over 9,000 beds, but also have interests in health insurance, in retail pharmacies, and ambulatory surgery centers and clinics. We're very committed to using technology to bring healthcare solutions within the reach of people, and hence have a company and a foundation that work on these areas.
And what are you most passionate about in healthcare?
I think that the biggest thing is the ability to be transformational in our way of empowering the customer. So you can empower the customer, the consumer, and actually just the human being. You can empower them with knowledge, with information about how to stay healthy. You can empower children by telling them what's good for them and how to live a healthy life. You can empower the patient by connecting him to the right doctor, to the right hospital, to the right program, and the right information. So if you're able to connect his mobile phone with his blood sugar monitoring, with his doctor, and make that whole cycle seamless, simple, every day, as easy as breathing, you will create better health outcomes and ultimately a healthier population. And that's what I'm really passionate about.
And why is it important to come and speak at conferences like this?
I've spoken at the World Healthcare Congress in Washington, D.C. before. I believe they're well organized. You have a wonderful group of people. And it's important to share concepts and ideologies so that one, you can learn a lot from all the other participants and figure out whether your ideas really, are, um, are striking the right note, where they're in sync with the needs, the pain points, the capabilities. And I think it's also very important to, if you have a concept or an idea, in today's connected world, there's a need for scale and proliferation. So conferences like this help proliferate a thought.
And anything else you'd like to add?
Um, I think the other important thing really is that as the world goes into an impending global healthcare crisis, there's a need for innovation and finding appropriate low-cost solutions. I believe India has been forced to innovate because of our lack of resources and the huge size of the population, and that India and Apollo Hospitals, or the health system that we're in, have created some very unique technology medicine interfaces which will help healthcare players anywhere in the world really do things better for their patients.
Thank you very much for your
Okay.
time.